Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn some tips and tricks with time in Excel. The concept of time in Excel is pretty simple. The start of a day is 0 and the end of a day is 1. Anything between 0 and 1 represents the time within a day. So an example, a typical day starts at 12 a.m. So here you enter 12 space A and then enter. This is the beginning of the day. So if I want to see the real value of this time, I select and I press Ctrl Shift tilde. So this 0 represents the start of a day. The end of a day is some few microseconds before 12 a.m. So again, if I take this and I do Ctrl Shift tilde to 2 decimal place or less, it will give me the value 1. So if you understand this, then it's very easy to calculate time elapsed between two times. So as an example, if it's 6 a.m. and you want to enter 6 a.m., you enter 6 space A, and this means at 6 a.m. we spent 25% of the day already. If you want to do 12 p.m., you do 12 space and then P. So this is half. If you want to enter a specific time with hour and minutes, so for example, I want to enter 8:55 p.m., you do the R8 colon 55 space P. Okay, so that is almost 90% of the day. So with this understanding, what it means is that if I have 8:55 p.m. and let's say I have 7:15 a.m. here, this represents the bigger time, for the want of a better word, and this is the smaller time. If I want to calculate the number of hours and minutes between these two, I can do a simple subtraction. So here I take the bigger one, okay, and then I subtract this one. Okay, so please highlight the cell, press Ctrl 1. Ctrl 1 opens the Format Cells menu, and here you can format as you please. The format is essentially H column mm, or if you like, you can do double H colon mm. If you want to add seconds, you bring colon and then you add SS for that. So this tells us that we spent 13 hours since 7:15 a.m. Now, a quick way to put in time with shortcuts. So example, at this current time I'm recording this video, if I want to input the time, I can do Ctrl Shift colon. So this would create a timestamp, okay, of the current time that you are in Excel. If you want a dynamic time, you can use the formula equal to now, okay, open and close bracket. And what this does is that it gives you the date and the current time. Okay, so again, if you want to get only the time, just press Ctrl Shift at, which will give you the exact time. Now while we are here, I want to add 1 day to this, so I can select and then add 1 day. So this gives me exactly 24 hours from the start date. And let's say I want to calculate time elapsed across days. So for the purposes of this, I'm going to change this part, paste it as a value, and then make this 10:56. So I start work on this day and time, and I end on this day and time across days. How many hours have I spent? Same approach. So essentially we stand here, we take the bigger date and time, and then we subtract the smaller one. The difference though is that you may get a whole number depending on the format of the cell, but when you get this, you just format pressing Ctrl 1, okay, and then you come to the time format. So in the time format, you see this format 37 colon 30 colon 55. This helps format and gives you the exact number of hours across these days. Okay, so please practice and add these tips to your Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. Send videos to you directly on Mondays and Fridays. Please visit our YouTube channel. All our old videos are here. Excel Hacks for Productivity. Or give us a like on our Facebook page, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Excel Hacks for Productivity is powered by Finest Skills Hub. Thank you very much for watching.